In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Shopify handles shipping. Shipping is an essential aspect of running an online store, and Shopify offers a streamlined and efficient way to manage it. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to optimize your shipping processes, this guide will walk you through every step necessary to set up shipping on your Shopify store effectively. Let's start by accessing your Shopify account. To do this, navigate to the Shopify website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on this and it will take you to the login page. If you're already logged out, you'll land directly on the login page, which is where we need to be. From here, type in your store's name or your email in the highlighted field. This is critical as Shopify uses this information to direct you to your specific store's admin area. After typing in your store's name or your email, select the option to Continue with email. This selection is crucial for directing you to the part where you input your password securely. Once you're directed to the sign-in options, you'll be prompted to choose the account associated with your store. If you have multiple Google accounts or emails, ensure you select the one tied to your Shopify store. This authentication step is important for securely accessing your store's backend. After successfully logging in, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Look for the My Store option, click on it, and then navigate to the Themes section from the Shopify admin. Here you're stepping closer to the core settings that influence how your shop operates, including shipping. The next step is crucial, clicking on Settings. In Settings, you'll find various options to customize your store, but for now we're focusing on shipping and delivery. Clicking on this will take you to where you can define how products are shipped. Once in the shipping settings, you'll see an option to create a new profile. This is where things start getting more tailored to your specific shipping needs. Profiles allow you to set shipping rules and rates for different products based on various factors like weight, price, or destination. Click on Add Products to begin selecting which items this shipping profile will apply to. This flexibility is key to managing multiple types of products that might have different shipping considerations. After selecting your products, remember to click Done to confirm your choices. Continuing, it's time to set where these products can be shipped. Click on Add Shipping Zone. A shipping zone encompasses the areas where you can deliver. This might be as broad as worldwide, or as specific as certain states or countries. Choose a shipping zone that aligns with your business strategy. Next, you're going to set up your shipping rates by clicking on Add Rate. This is where you can define how much you'll charge for shipping to this zone. You have the option to set up a fixed price or calculate rates based on weight or order total. When setting a shipping rate, giving it a custom name can help you organize and remember each setup accurately. For instance, you could name it after the specific zone or type of shipping service. Once you've input all necessary details, make sure to click Done to save your shipping profile. This action seals the new shipping settings and applies them to your store, making them live to your customers. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Shopify shipping setup process, from logging in to creating a fully customized shipping profile for your store. Remember, shipping is a significant part of the customer experience, so taking the time to do it right is well worth the effort. Shopify's shipping settings offer you the flexibility and control needed to tailor your shipping strategy precisely to your business's and customers' needs. And that wraps up our guide on how Shopify handles shipping. By following these detailed steps, you can ensure your products reach your customers efficiently and at the cost that makes sense for your business. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials that help simplify the e-commerce experience for you and your customers. Happy shipping!